was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the moon, and even sometimes we would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with a sweet smile, told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. And ever since that day, I am a lost boy.